Hello, fellas. Welcome back to my channel, your best crypto plug. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Kaspa itself. Let's see what's happening with Kaspa. Because, if we're looking at the majority of the market is booming because we're looking at BTC looking very, very closely to setting a new yearly high. And of course, the entire market is reacting to that overall momentum as far as Kaspa is concerned. Guys, Kaspa has taken the cryptocurrency market by storm. Pretty much started the year on a really slow rate because, of course, pretty much throughout the year 2023, it was running, outpacing everything. But we've seen Kaspa over the last 2 to 3 days killing it. And it's up 3.6 on the daily time frame. But if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, Kaspa is up 44.8. So let's take it a step further, see what is happening. What are some next price targets? And see whether or not we could be seeing an all-time high coming soon for Kaspa. Before I do get started, of course, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as of February 11th, you're looking at the price of Kaspa currently sitting at 14.5 cents. It's also up to and over the past 24 hours in BTC. The comparative market cap currently sitting at almost $3.03 billion. The 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $60 million. Insane, of course, but let's take it a step further. I want to start with Bitcoin because look what Bitcoin is doing as we speak. Bitcoin is sitting exactly at that resistance at $48,137. And if this can clear out, guys, I think we could be waking up tomorrow morning. Of course, it's midnight here in North America, depending on which state you're in. But if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is sitting at some very interesting levels. And if this can clear out, we could be waking up to a new yearly high for BTC because for it to hit a new yearly high, we're pretty much looking at a move of about 2.2. Of course, there is resistance and hence we are seeing a little bit of a hard time breaking out. But like I said, this level is so important that I would not even be surprised if we woke up to a new yearly high in the morning. So that is going to be, of course, really exciting to see Bitcoin dominance pretty much sitting at 53.6 cents. I'm sorry, not cents, 53.6. But that is what's looking like for the overall dominance. But let's take a look at Kaspa because this right here is absolutely madness. You can see this for yourself. So yesterday when I did the Kaspa update, we were giving you guys the importance of the price of Kaspa closing above the key resistance level, which was at 13.5 cents. And I said, this is so important because now we could even be pushing back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And you could see this for yourself. We have seen the price of Kaspa re-enter the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time since December 5. So it's been over 2 months since we haven't seen the price get back into this range. And there's a lot of questions going around as to what's causing this rally. It could be whales that are coming together, or it could be insiders that know something that we do not know. Nonetheless, you are looking at Kaspa killing it. And as far as all-time highs go, we're looking at an ATM move for it to hit all-time highs. And of course, once we hit all-time highs, price discovery mode does kick in. And honestly speaking, 18 cents would be a realistic target, in my opinion, once we do get into that zone, because that is another 15.6 move from the all-time highs. And I honestly could see that happening. But wow, this is insane. This is a cryptocurrency for you guys, and this should give you guys an indication of why importance is so much needed. Imagine the people who lost their patience at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And if you watch all my Kaspa updates, there's one thing I always emphasize. Let's not forget how much Kaspa has moved up. Not only has it moved up so much, but the way it continuously held at that key level, which is we saw the 10 cents being a huge level of support, saw several pullbacks below it, but every single time it managed to make its way back up. And you can see the momentum just based on that. And you can see if you just picked up some Kaspa, literally on February 6th, which is just a few days back, you would have been up 50 on case. This is absolutely madness, and people got to understand what Kaspa is doing. As you know, it's a layer one. And of course, layer ones are extremely hyped as well as layer twos. And of course, the entire narrative, this bull cycle, in my opinion, is going to be revolving around these certain layer ones and layer twos. Will all of them survive in the long haul? Now, I've been quite clear on that. It's going to take time to see which one thrives and which one has a mass advantage against the others. As of now, without a doubt, Solana is killing it in terms of actually coming close to Ethereum. Solana is killing it. But there are a lot of other layers that are very unique in their way. And that's what people are getting excited about. And that is why so much interest is in projects like these. but Kaspa is killing it. Being in the 23.6 is everything. You could see this for yourself. We need to break out of this resistance. And if it's able to do that, I would be convinced that we could even be seeing a new all-time high for Kaspa very soon. So very exciting. You do have Kaspa in your portfolio. I'm sure everyone is excited right now. And looking at BTC, Bitcoin is pumping like crazy as well. People who think Bitcoin is going to go to $10, come on, these massive institutions won't let that happen. They will not let retail get in that cheap, in my opinion. So that's just, that things are looking amazing. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you can see the price of Kaspa. Of course, going as of now, if you want to know where it's listed, because of course I get this question on a day-to-day basis. Where is Kaspa listed? So right here is the number of exchanges that are currently listed. As you can see, Binx, Gate, IO, KuCoin, Mex, and Bybit. You get the idea. Out of all these exchanges, in terms of my speaking exchange that I've used personally, it's KuCoin. And KuCoin is one of the big exchanges without a doubt. And in my opinion, KuCoin is the best exchange that has listed Kaspa as of now. Some people might say buy it, but I would choose KuCoin over that, but it doesn't matter if it's a Binance Coinbase. You never want to be putting your coins on the exchanges. You always want to be putting it in a wallet. So do look into that, but amazing things happening. Give yourself a pat on the back if you were accumulating Kaspa while no one was paying attention to it, which was the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. But this should give you an indication of why importance should be given to due diligence and research. And of course, if you believe in the project, then pay. Patience is your number one key to follow. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we do cover Kaspa tomorrow at a new all-time high. If you found this useful and informative, smash that like button. I do appreciate that. If you're new, be sure to drop me a comment and click the subscribe button down below to enjoy more existing updates. See you again in the next video.